Alright guys, we're at the normal spot. I know you can't hear me, it's very loud under here today. Waiting for a special guest to come out with me today. Ooh, busting my butt. To the middle ones, yeah, but it does get, that's where the boats cross. I think it's maybe I think it's like Carolina skiffs go through there. I don't ever see big boats go through here. You could always use the bottom of your stick. You could always use the end of your stick and sit. Oh, yeah. Yep, there's one right there. Right there. See it?
What's that?
Big one. Big crab.
Where?
That one, the thing you just touched, yeah. See it?
I did not want to touch that.
See it? Oh.
Really? Is it really full of them?
Yeah.
I've seen a couple.
Oh, it's a pufferfish?
Oh my god. Full of them.
Oh man.
Are those fish jumping?
There's one fish in there, yeah, he's right here.
Those are some big mud crabs.
Yeah?
I saw him, he's probably not big, but he's the size.
Oh yeah. They get big, but honestly the smaller ones are better. Alright, we at the spot. So usually like where the pylons are these. So there's one here. Yeah, the big crack. There's like a half crack, that's not a pylon. It's like all the big ones. So here, yeah, usually I go this one, and then that one. This wind is rough. Goodness. The wind is not helping, but they're here, so. They're getting bigger.
They down here, folks.
They
Gotta get on it.
They're getting bigger. Pretty sure that's a keeper right there.
You gotta be 12, right?
Yeah. I'm about to check in a minute.
Second one of the day, folks.
Not bad. Yeah.
Fish got pretty fish.
Oh man, I know.
Yeah, pretty fish.
Yeah, they're here. They definitely here. Let's see. 11. So Mohara. Yeah. Yeah, Play Linda, I think the last video I have of me and Play Linda, I was doubling up on them. They were like 10 inches. I usually, they're good bait. People eat them. I don't eat them.
They eat them when they get big though.
Yeah. Yep, and I got my crab back too. That's what.
Yeah, we're trying to get on. Nice pretty sheephead.
Yeah. Stay still.
Not a keeper size, but a good catch. Nice catch.
Put you back. I love when you get the bait back. The best. Woo! That wind. It's not a sheepshead. It's a ladyfish. Here we go. Little ladyfish. Bear, some ladyfish action.
Is it crab?
Huh?
Is it crab?
Yeah. Do you want this or no? You want this? Shark bait? No? I want to put them over here. Oh yeah. Probably like 10 or 11. Yeah.
Not that good, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Alright guys, it's like number 4, number 5. Yeah, he's a bait. Hey buddy. Want to try over there?
I'll get one more shot right here. Come on, baby.
I was gonna say you can take my spot.
Huh?
You can take my spot if you want.
Oh, she want to come down there where you went, because you catch a lot of fish.
Well, she can go right over there. least you didn't get skunked. One's better than none.
Yeah, for real.
These little barnacles that have the hermit crabs coming out, the small ones, they bite the heck out of those.
Just right here.
Yeah. Usually if I can get a hook through it,
They'll hit it.
yeah, they'll hit it. That's what they eat.
You say just one of them on there.
Yeah. So another little sailor's choice.
Again, got a small croaker.
Little croakers.
Big croaker.
You know,
One yellow croaker, one single one if I feel like. I'm gonna keep trying. That's a small croaker.
yeah. Bye-bye, buddy. Oh, he jumped out of my hand. I didn't even get a chance to throw.
So much fish over there. If it was legal, I could net them out more.
Yeah, they probably ain't no fish that we want.
Oh, if it's the croaker, you can cast them.